Hello people of the internet. My car has a small problem with its back door. Let me show you. The detente doesn't work. It's not. So yeah, like the detente, the hinge isn't working properly. It's the same on this door, but I'm not going to fix that because I've already done a video on that, and that's in one of the, I think it's in this corner. You can click and watch that if you like. So how do you fix this? It's very simple, it really is. You just open this door, and hey presto, there is the hinge. All you have to do is undo these screws here. 1, 2, 3. Ignore this one. This is of no use to you. You can leave that be. Now this screw, sorry, I should say it's a bolt. That's more precise. I think that's more of what it is, not really a screw, it's a bolt. That is really stuck. And actually I broke a tool of mine today trying to get it out. But yeah, this has gone completely loose. And it's useless now, can't use it, so bin. And I've had to get out my nice tools. This was my late father's toolbox. Sturdy tools, and I'm going to use these. The camera is doubling as a torch. Anyway, it's really frustrating because it's the third time I've been doing this. Third time. Why? Because I'm always lacking either the correct tool. What was missing the other day was actually with my daughter. And one of these sockets, a 13mm, by the way. It's 13mm. There you go. Forgot to mention that. That was missing, so I had to abandon the endeavour there. Then, as I showed you, my tool broke. And that's the thing, it's just so incredibly frustrating working in crap conditions. I live in an apartment, and if I forget something, I have to go and get it upstairs. But yeah, I thought I'd just treat you to watching me grunt and sweat as I remove these bolts, basically. And that's all out. There is the offending article. These aren't really that well made, if I'm honest, because the way it is, water will trickle down here and get in. And eventually, if it fills up, it's going to rot what's inside. And that happened in my previous car. I think nearly two of the hinges were rotten. And I actually took this off. You can easily get this off and see the insides and see what's wrong. And I think I actually made some holes in them. I punched some holes to let the water drain out, but I'm not sure if you're supposed to do that. This is the new one. I got it online from eBay, from a place in Lithuania. And it's not the same colour. And this is my face of caring. Yeah. Couldn't give a rat's behind. This is a lot more difficult than it should be. You see, the bloke sent the hinge open, so the door is open, and I can't get it out of this position. I try, can't. So what I'm going to do, I have to open the door, screw these things in, and then see if the hinge will move. And I had to go upstairs to get an open-end spanner so I can slot it in behind. This is turning out to be a real bitch, and this is why I hate living in an apartment. This wasn't here. I had no idea I was going to need this, and I can't bring every single bloody tool I have every time. God, it's annoying. Why isn't it on hand? That's bloody well in. Sorry, I used a swear word. That excrement is in. You remember I said it was easy at the beginning? So how do you fix this? It's very simple, it really is. Yeah, that was stupid of me. Didn't stop filming, did it, you bitch? Anyway. My daughter will be very happy now. God, I'm sick to do this. Anyway, that's enough for today. This is a success, even though it was a massive amount of bother. Way too much bother. Let me just test that again. Yeah, that's sweet. That looks good. Sod it. It's 11 at night. I'm going to bed. Goodbye.